Listen up. We got a package from Stylecraft. Gamma Plus. Let's open it up and see what it is. Alright. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, what? Hold on, real quick before I show y'all. It's a new clipper?
Water tower clipper.
What?
A water tower clipper.
Yo, this is different.
That was raw, huh?
This is different. I don't even... Cyborg professional metal clipper with digital brushless motor. Let's see what it's saying. Let's see what it. This is what it looked like. Let me take it out. All right. This actually looks dope. It's heavy though. It's kind of heavy though. Okay, turn it on. Let me see. Pretty quiet. It's pretty quiet. It's definitely giving off futuristic type of vibes right now. It's giving off of a Nike Air Mag vibe. This kind of different. It's kind of heavy though. That's the. It's giving off real Masters vibes right now. All right. Let me show you what it comes with. All right, it comes with an extra lever, charger, a dock, and I guess I don't know what this is. What is this? Accessories. Alright, let's see what the accessories is. Alright, a bunch of guards. A screwdriver, and just extra knick-knack type of stuff. The guards are like, it's like a wall system guard. So if you like wall guard systems, that's basically what it is. I'm more of an Andis guard system guy myself, but I could still use both though.
You're gonna spend money out there like that. I'm not gonna spend money out there like that.
But all in all though, the first impression, these actually do look good. Like I said, the downer, they actually are kind of heavy on the first feel, but I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna try to see if I can zero gap these a little bit more. It ain't really too zero gap, but it's actually feel nice though. In hand, it feels nice. I like the clicking mechanism on the side. Stay tuned.